my gang, that we on that. Free bands coming in, so we on that. Counting on the ranks, you know what I'm saying? Hopping on the whip, like, oh yeah.
What's going on, Sporty's World? It's your boy Sporty back again in the building with another banger, man. I'm out here with another video. We cranking these videos out every day, every other day. I told you guys, I promised you guys, we was gonna keep doing videos upon videos, man. We looking for 1,000 subscribers. 1,000 subscribers, guys. I'm giving away a $50 gift card. I'm thinking of doing Target or GameStop. GameStop or Target. You guys let me know in the comments. Let me know, man. We do be knocking these videos out. It's your boy Sporty back in the building. Let's go. Now let me show you this. I want to show you these sneakers. Custom made for you. These are custom made. Custom made for you. Right? What brand is this? These are Vans, boy. Vans. But these ain't regular though. These is regular. These ain't regular, I mean. These are custom made for you. Right? And this is cool. I wanted to show these to you. I don't always gotta do the black and whites, you know. You ain't gotta always do the black and white old schools. Let's get it. Let's go. Look at these. These are the old school Yacht Club Customs, boy. The Yacht Club Customs. Usually, if you see these are low tops. If you see these in the mall, and they a different color. Actually, my kids got those. The ones that you see in the mall, low top. It's like a white, yellow, and some other colors. I don't know, but these are custom. These are custom. You go on the Vans website, you can change up the colors. You can do anything you want. But I actually like these. I actually bought these by default. These were default customs. I just wanted the colors. I seen these. I didn't even know you could customize your sneakers, different materials. But I seen these. I said, I want these. Y'all advertising these as customs, but these are hot. I said, I ain't wasting no time editing no customs and making. I'm buying these, and I'm more than happy. Cause check this out. It got leather inside. Leather inside. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna throw some wax laces. So the laces are gonna change. They're gonna be a little bit leatherish, waxed laces. You got the leather right here. Canvas all over, blue canvas, white soles, rubber gum bottoms, like you know your signature Vans. The insides. The insides. Back is yellow. Right? Red logo. These are fresh, man. I like these. I got 2 pairs of these. One for me, one for my girl. That's how we do it. And the kids rock the low top ones. These are the Yacht Clubs. These look cool with some more white, you know, green, blue, red, whatever you want to do, man. It's cool. You rock these to the amusement park or something when you with the kids. You know what I'm saying? These are fresh. I like these. I'm gonna show you a few in-foot pictures as well, you know, so you can see how they look in foot. But you know, go on the Vans website and check it out. It ain't that bad, guys. It ain't that bad. These of course, I think, I don't know, probably like 100 or under 100. Something cheap. So this is pretty good, pretty cool, and you're gonna look different. You can't get these at the mall. You cannot get these at the mall. These took a month to get to me. They make these in wherever these came from. I forgot, some next country. They make these in the next country, and they ship them. So they make them on order, and it took 4 weeks because I bought 4 pairs of different Vans, and the other pairs came in. And I had to wait an extra 3 weeks for these because they were shipped from overseas and they were made as soon as I ordered them. So you'll get like freshly made pairs just for you. So that's why I like this, man. I hope you guys enjoyed it, man. I hope you guys liked the sneakers. Hopefully. You know, if you guys don't like it, I understand. These are a little bit wacky, a little bit clownish. That's why I said these are something nice you rock with the kids. You know, when you with the kids, guys all throw these on, you know, and you rock out, you know what I'm saying? It's meant to look crazy, right? Like I said, guys, like and subscribe. At 1,000 subscribers, we're giving away a $50 gift card. $50 gift card. I'm thinking GameStop or Target. Target might be a better look because there's more Targets around than GameStop. So I think I might do a Target gift card. So please subscribe, click that bell, and We're gonna drop another one again. Peace.